so we are at Scopwick level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Carol Fry. There we go. Now the time is 16:20 on Sunday, the 10th of May 2015. This is 4 hours 6:83 X-ray. 16:15 or 14.
14.
Service from Lincoln Central to Buttering, whatever it is. What was it? Butterley.
Yeah,
Butterley. Butterley or whatever it is. I've got my film's flight. That's why I'm not going on the. Is it Butterley?
Yeah, Butterley.
Butterley. Yeah. My phone's now on 12. You should be all right. The crossing's down now.
Yeah.
I reckon most people are thinking, what the heck is the crossing shutting on a Sunday for?
Just your only freight.
Yeah. Into the 2 minutes into the video.
1 minute.
Where's the tamper? Where is it now, Matthew?
She is just about here. Her signal's green, so she should be here within a moment.
Okay.
Should be coming around the corner within 30 seconds, hopefully. So
that'll be pretty hard. Up there is on red.
Her signal for passing here is green, so she'll probably have to stop there while Rouston does whatever.
It'd be nice if this crossing was an AHB.
Yeah.
So I knew it when it was coming.
So check up on her. Nope, still there. Her signal's gone green for Rouston. So she should be coming around this corner any minute.
Alright. 11%.
Yeah, we'll definitely make it.
Definitely.
Any moment now. Three minutes.
2 minutes to ride. Close.
Yeah. Yep, she's approaching. Joe, your video's gone off. There we go.
So it's just because it said low battery 10%.
Oh, right. Oh, we'll last another 5 minutes anyway.
Could do.
Yeah. She's definitely moving.
Should be. I reckon most people hit the crossing malfunction or something.
Probably. Anyway. Oh, is that light, I think? No?
That's closure was on for about 5 minutes, so it should be here another minute time or something like that.
Yeah. Just under a minute.
There she is. Can you see it?
Yep. You, I saw a light.
So revving your engine of cars, you're not going to get in the way any quicker. Look how slow it's going. That's why it takes so long.
Yeah.
98 to 906. 98 906 to 98 956 to Butterley. Up they go. And yes, probably got a stonegate, the crossing has not malfunctioned. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.